Okay, day 5. Looking at what I got here. Today is actually day 6, but I'm calling it day 5. What I did yesterday was I didn't pull it. I cleaned off the head really good. As best I could with some brass wire brushes. Looks like I'm could use some new valves. That's for sure. They need, not looking the best they've ever been. Of course, the screwed up coolant one is nice looking. These are pretty much as good as I can get. My only fear is that where it failed, there's, not sure if it'll pick it up on camera, but right where it failed, there's a small divot. Yeah, I don't think it's going to show up. Yeah, it's right there. You can see it. Kind of. Yeah, that guy is where it failed. Not happy about that. I think I'm going to tighten down that head bolt a little bit more than the other ones, but I don't know. Other than that, kind of clean it. Didn't get to the back side, but I did kind of clean up the exhaust. Not the intake yet. I do have the gaskets and everything for that stuff ready to go, but yeah, it was pouring rain. They sent my bearings. They're supposed to be 2-day from Portland, Oregon, and they sent them to New York for some reason. So I was going to do bearings today because it wasn't raining and it was nice out, but alas, can't do that. So I thought I would do this. Didn't get around to making any kind of video. Didn't really do anything, so yeah, moving on with that, today I decided, since I don't have anything to do, my head gasket ain't here yet. It's probably coming within the hour, but it's too dark outside to work on it. So I decided to figure out what was wrong with the ignition as far as all that clicking and everything goes. And what I found blew my mind. I have never, ever seen an ignition cylinder absolutely destroyed like that. I've gone through like 6 of these, and this thing is just, I don't get it. That isn't grease, that's just like, what? How do you even do that? And as I was getting it back in, I was looking at the actual harness itself. Ooh, that's why it just tumbles, and that's what that clicking was when I turn it on. Couldn't get the car to, like when I would spin the key in the first video, you saw that it just made this crazy clicking noise. Couldn't get the key out. It was just crazy. So I was like, well, I've got this cylinder key set that I bought for the 89, the LX. There's the trunk for it. I had just replaced this harness on the other one, and I was about to put the new tumbler in there, the ignition cylinder, and the guy hit my car, so I didn't end up using it. And then looking at this guy, it's been cut into a couple times. There's a lot of splicing going on in a lot of places. Nothing crazy, a couple of jimmy rig things, but it doesn't look like anybody went through the harness and messed with it too much. But yeah, so that thing was just spinning around in there. Nothing for it to click onto. So it's just breaking the plastic apart. But I still don't know how this thing got so messed up. It's just crazy. Crazy. If anybody has any idea how that happens, I'd love to know. Because this is what a brand new one looks like. The only problem is, this is an 89, 88, 89. Didn't know there was a difference. Turns out there's a bit of a difference. Not in the tumbler itself, but in the height, the reach. It's slightly off. So it doesn't quite reach the inside of this, or well, the other one. So now I've got to order a new ignition tumbler cylinder. In the process of goofing around my car, or messing around with the interior of it today, I discovered that the ashtray was full of joints and blunts. And a sucker stick. See, at least enough for 4 blunts. They were hard up at one point enough to start ripping them apart. Smoking the what was left of them. A nice ashtray full of a couple of joints and a bunch of blunts. Luckily, I live in Washington State, and that shit is legal. Legal. But that's pretty much going to be my update for today. I know, horribly exciting. But for future reference, 88, 91. Just not quite long enough. And that head might be done for. Valves are done for. But like I said, I'm just trying to get 3 months out of this so I can buy an engine, rebuild it, throw it in there. If I can get 4,000 miles out of this, or 2,000 miles even, that'd be sweet. I think on this guy, I owned it for 4 years, and it was put 20, not even 20. It's like 58 when I bought it. It's got like 72, 172 now. Over 4 years, nothing crazy, but I mean, I felt like I drove it a lot. But yeah, ordered the power steering fluid after I ordered the head and the piston by 2 days. This came in the next day. I absolutely love that company. I've ordered from them a bunch of times, and they're awesome. I don't think I have the invoice sitting around. Maybe I do. Maybe this is it. Optimum Auto, Jersey City, New Jersey. No, that is not what it is. I don't want to show you because it's got my address on there. Yeah, it's Optimum Auto out of Jersey City. Got it off of eBay. But dang, boom, it came in like 1 day from Jersey. I didn't even like pay any extra. That's why I love shopping with those guys. It's like I don't even... It's the next day. Like I said, the head should be coming today. Hopefully I'll be able to get that on, and I can at least put that on while I'm waiting. Probably until Monday now. Maybe Monday. Probably Tuesday before I can do the bearings, which is bullshit. Bolshevik. Yeah. Alright, well I'm going to go because yesterday was my sister's birthday and I failed to call her. I fell asleep. So I'm going to call her and profusely apologize and see if she'll take me back as her brother. So, till number 6, I guess.